Hello YouTube. In this video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy one braided protective style with tailbone length hair. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. Alright YouTube, so we're going to get right into it. My hair has been freshly washed with co-wash. The style that I'm going to be doing today is actually a favorite of mine that I do right before I'm about to go to work and I don't feel like doing a wash and go. But I decided to add a little razzle dazzle to this style, y'all. I don't know, I just been wanting to have me a long ponytail. So I'm about to detangle this hair and we're going to get started with the style. So the products I'm going to need is some Eco Styler gel with olive oil, and I'm also going to be adding some Chronicles braiding hair to my braid. Y'all do not come for me in my comments. I told y'all I needed some razzle dazzle for this style. So I'm about to start off by parting my hair in a deep side part, y'all. I don't know. It's something about a deep side part that's just so, I don't know, sexy to me. So I'm going to take my favorite oil and I'm going to put that on my hands and just kind of rub it on my hair. Y'all, my hair is high porosity, so I try to put oil on it to lock in all the moisture, because if not, my hair will be looking so dry, okay? So next, I start detangling my hair while it's still damp, and I do start from the bottom up and then try to get to the root. The main thing about this style is that I try to comb my hair all the way to the side, because this is going to be a side braided ponytail. So whenever I'm detangling, I'm just going to keep brushing my hair to that side so it's easier to gather when it's time for me to cornrow my hair. Once I get my hair to the desired side, I take a generous amount of gel and put that on my hair. And what I'm doing is actually trying to slick this part down, because it is definitely going to all be going to one side when I do this braid. And me putting this on, it just makes it look so much neater. You will see me brushing the gel in, just trying to lock my hair in and just trying to make it look neat, because one thing about this one braided ponytail is that if it's not neat, it just look bad. So now you're going to see me continue to work that gel in my hair. I'm also going to put some on my edges just so that can look neat as well, because I'm telling you, you don't want to have no pretty braid and them edges look bad. So now I'm just going to continue brushing the gel in just to try to get my hair as neat as possible. So now I'm just going to start braiding my hair. With this particular style, I try not to braid my hair as tight because I don't want the braid to be really skinny. I kind of want it to be a little thick just so it can frame my face better. So I really am just, braiding my hair loose enough to where it doesn't look thin, but tight enough to where it looks neat. So when I get done braiding my hair, I actually start adding the extensions to the bottom of the braid. So when I connect it, I actually connect the extension to the middle piece of the braid and just keep doing that rotation. You can't really see what I'm doing right here, but I have other videos that show my process of how I feed in Chronicles hair to the bottom of braids. If you want to check those out, they will be in the braided hairstyle tutorial playlist that is located in the description. So while doing this plait, I am going to continue to kind of add hair to it so it can remain kind of thick while I'm braiding it down, because I don't want a really skinny ponytail with as long as this braid is about to be. So once I have braided the ponytail down as far as I want, I will add a rubber band at the end, and then I will add a perm rod at the end to curl the ends. For some reason, I feel a curl at the end of the ponytail makes it look a little more natural. Next, I will be adding gel to my edges and into the hairs on the side of my face to kind of give it a little curl. I don't know, some reason those curls just make the style look so much better. And I also will be putting some gel on the back of my head. Y'all, I got these hairs in the back of my head that my uncle used to call can't you don't yous. Can't you comb it, don't you try. So I just put some gel back there so it can have a cute little curl so I don't even have to worry about them edges back there. So now that the edges are complete, I am going to go ahead and dip the perm rod inside of hot water. And y'all, please be careful with this because you will burn yourself. But once I am done dipping the perm rod, I will go ahead and have a towel ready and unravel the perm rod for a cute little curl. So now that the curl is done, y'all, our style is finally finished. And you cannot tell me nothing with this ponytail. I mean, it looked like a serpent. It is just so long and pretty. I just kind of felt like Pocahontas, Rapunzel. I just felt, I don't know, bad. But y'all, this is the finished look. I know some people are going to ask me, why did I add extensions to my hair? And I do want to let you know that just adding this extension just added so much flavor to the ponytail, because let me show y'all what it looked like without the extensions. So as you can see, it just adds so much flavor to the style to add that long ponytail to it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss an upload. And I will see y'all in my next video.